So you have to put the answer on the chat box. You have to write all the factors of 68. Please write all the factors of 68, then we will discuss the answer. So if I want to write the factors of 68, first factor of every number is 1 and other factor which is...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samarth.
What are we doing? I just joined now.
Okay, no problem. We are doing example number 1.
Okay, ma'am.
So all of you have to write the factors of 68 and put it on chat box. I will check it. There is power failure at my place, so I just got connected. So that's why we have started 3 minutes late. So sorry for that.
No problem, ma'am.
I send you the answer.
Okay, I got 2 answers in fact. So let me check. That is from Ahana and from Hirday and from Samarth. So Ahana, your answer is correct. Very good. Hirday, your answer is also correct. Very good. Samarth, your one factor is missing. Please check. It is between 17 and 68.
And please say someone to send to person.
Oh, okay. Samarth, please send it to personal, not to everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have also written that number.
Okay, so please. No, that is wrong, Samarth.
Why?
And can I tell the numbers?
Yeah, please.
And it's 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, and 68.
You are correct.
Ma'am, I wrote now only in your personal. You have to check now. I missed 34. I have written it.
Okay, so mistakenly you have written 46. Okay, no problem. So let's proceed.
You're writing mistake.
Yeah. So the factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, 68. That was correctly given by Ahana and Hirday. So let's proceed to the factors of 36, everyone. So if I want to write the factors of 36, first factor is 1, then I will divide it by 2. So if I divide 36 by 2, it is completely divisible. So when the number is completely divisible, we call it factor. So yes, 2 is a factor. It is completely divisible by 3. Okay, so 3 is a factor. It is completely divisible by 4. So by which number it is completely divisible? That you have to check till 36. Isn't it, Tanmay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying factor is something which completely divide the number.
Okay, ma'am.
Ahana, you want to say something?
I said yes.
Yeah. So please write all the factors of 36 and send it to me on the chat box. I got
send you
3 answers. Okay, so let me check. Hirday, that is correct for you. Samarth, some factors are missing. Yes, you are writing now. It is correct. Yes, Samarth. Yes.
Ma'am, is my whole answer correct?
Yeah, now it is correct for Samarth, for Hirday, and I should say it is also correct for Ahana. Very good, 3 of you. You have done it completely correct. Very good. So let's move to the last one. solved answer, you have to write the first 5 multiples of 6. So what do I mean by multiple? I have to multiply it first 5, meaning I will multiply it by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, and by 5. Okay?
Ma'am, send.
Okay, okay. So I am explaining it for Tanmay. See, we need to write the multiple.
Ma'am, I have to send you before
Yeah.
somewhere.
Yeah,
Ma'am, Tanmay also send factors of 36.
okay. So, yeah, Tanmay, that is correct. Very good, Tanmay, I should say to you. And Samarth, it is correct. Very good. Hirday, it is correct for you also. Very good. So I am waiting for this answer from Ahana and Tanmay. Very good, Ahana. It is absolutely correct. I am very happy that you all have given me the correct answer. So just we need to multiply it by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5. So we need to multiply till 5. Okay, so now we can proceed. The answer is 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's proceed to the exercise 3.1. Please write in your copy exercise 3.1 and start with question number 1. So let's start with 24. You have to write all the factors of 24. So how to do this thing? Let me tell you. Factors of 24. So what are the factors of 24?
Ma'am, can submit till.
No, please put it on the chat box. I want everyone to participate so that I can know who all know the answer. Please try, then I will choose one student to share the answer on the whiteboard.
I send it you.
Okay, Hirday.
Same with Samar.
Okay, Samarth. Hirday, one factor is missing in your factors. Please check. Samarth, your answer is absolutely correct. Very good for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ahana, one factor is missing in your answer. Please check.
Ma'am,
Yes, Samarth.
ma'am, I have observed something that after we do half of a number, then after that number there is no factors.
Yeah, that generally holds true. You are correct.
Ma'am, for which number it does not hold true?
There are some numbers in which it does not hold true.
Okay, ma'am.
Like
Ma'am, every factor is there.
one is missing. I will tell you. If you cannot try, no worries. I will tell you which factor is missing.
Ma'am, can Samir discuss the answer?
Yeah, please, Samarth, go ahead with the discussion.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and the last 24.
Very good. So 8 is missing for Hirday and Ahana. 8 3s are 24. 24 is completely divisible by 8. Okay, please write this answer so that we can move to the second part.
Ma'am, I wrote 8 in the chat with all the numbers.
No,
There is 8.
I'm sending your answer, Hirday. Even you can check your answer.
Ma'am,
What
it's written 1, 8, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24.
No,
It's
you
written.
have written 1, 2, 8 is missing there.
I don't know.
You have written to me 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24.
Okay, ma'am, I understand. When I was back spacing it, I removed 8.
Yeah. No problem. But remember, 8 is also a factor. This is the thing which I want to say to you. Okay, so let's move to the factors of 15. Everyone will write in their copy then and post it on the chat box. Factors of 15. Then I will allow one to discuss.
Ma'am, submit send.
That is correct, Samarth.
Thank you, ma'am.
That is correct, Hirday. Very good. That is correct, Ahana. Excellent. Okay, Tanmay, are you ready with the answer?
No, ma'am, just writing.
Okay, please write.
And why is not Manan here?
Manan is having some marriage of his very close relative.
Ma'am, when will it end?
Marriage?
Yes, ma'am.
He will be joining us maybe tomorrow. Oh, sorry, but tomorrow we will be having off.
ma'am.
So from the next week,
Monday?
from Monday, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So it seems like you all are very good friends. Okay. So let me give this answer to Hirday for explanation. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 50.
You are correct. Very good. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. So let's move to the third one. That is 21. You have to find the factors of 21. It is correct for you, Tanmay.
Ma'am, submit.
Yes, Samarth, it is correct for you also. Very good for the speed. Very good, Hirday. Correct.
Ma'am, Tanmay send it.
Yes, Tanmay, it is correct. Excellent, Ahana. Ahana, I give this question to you to explain.
So, ma'am, the first factor is 1, next is 3, next is 7, and lastly it's 21.
Excellent, Ahana. So you have also explained it very correct. 1, 3, 7, and 21 are the factors of 21. So let's proceed to the next one. That is fourth part. You have to find the factors of 27.
Submit send.
Yeah, Samarth, it is correct. Samarth, your question which you are asking to me in the when we are discussing, that should be cleared from
And I
here.
had to send you very 1 minute ago.
Yeah, Hirday, that is correct. So Samarth, Hirday, and Ahana. Very good.
Ma'am, I got it. The which number do not have half of them all are
Yeah,
in
it is not necessary. You can see here, we are not having 13.5 as its factor.
Ma'am, can I tell the factors of 27?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes,
Hirday.
ma'am, it's 1, 3, 9, and 27.
You are correct. Very good. Even I got one new message.
Ma'am, by mistake I will write V.
Yeah, Tanmay, that is correct. But
Ma'am,
yes,
can I take the answer for the next one?
I will choose. So don't worry, I will give everyone turn. So don't worry for your turn. So now E part is you have to find the factors of 12. So please put it on the chat box. Factors of 12.
Submit send.
Okay, Samar. I am having my eyes on the chat box, so please don't tell me. I am just looking at your answer. Yes, it is correct for Samarth and for Tanmay,
Thank you, ma'am.
for Hirday, for Ahana. Very
Ma'am,
good.
Tanmay send first or Hirday?
First is Tanmay. Okay,
Ma'am,
Tanmay.
first,
Tanmay.
I got Tanmay.
Yeah, no, but see, Hirday is asking me out of Tanmay and Hirday, who sent it before. So I told Tanmay has sent me before Hirday. So, okay, Tanmay, are you ready for the explanation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, what are divisor of 12 are 1,
Yes,
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12.
you are correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Next part, F is 20. You have to find the factors of 20. Okay, Samarth, it is correct.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I wrote the last number.
Yeah, I have seen. No need to tell me the story. I know it. It is correct for Hirday.
Yes, and this.
It is correct for Tanmay. It is correct for Ahana. So now I give chance to Samarth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and the last 20.
Excellent. So let's move to the
Thank you,
next.
ma'am.
Factors of 18. Excellent, Samarth.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Ahana, one factor is missing. Very good, Hirday. Yes, Ahana, you are correct.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
am.
just Tanmay type.
Ma'am, today I am sitting on something. अलग में मैं बैठा पड़ा उसमें मैं आपको फटाफट आंसर नहीं भेज पाऊंगा.
No problem, Hriday. Take your time. I appreciate. So Ahana, your last factor is also correct. So Ahana, can you explain?
Yes, ma'am. So first factor is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18.
Excellent. So all the answers are correct. Very good. I should say that is correct. And it is also correct for Tanmay. So I am just moving to the next one. Yes, please find the factor of 23 and 36. Then we will discuss. Put it on the chat box.
Ma'am, 23 and 36. Ma'am, 23 and 36.
Yes, it is 23 and 36. H and I part. Mom, send both.
Okay.
Ma'am, send both.
Okay. So let me check who has sent me correct. So correct answer are sent by Hriday. Your 23 is correct. Samarth, your 23 is correct. Ahana, your 23 is correct. And Samarth, your 36 is one factor is missing, Samarth. Hriday, your 36 is correct. Very good. Ahana, your 30, yes, Samarth, it is missing. You are correct. So Ahana, your 36 is correct. Very good. I am very,
And can I tell of 36?
yes, just give me a minute.
Till 23.
I will take both of your help. Just hold on. Factors of 23, I need it from Hriday. Hriday.
Ma'am, I will tell of 36.
Okay, no worries. So, okay, Samarth, tell me the factors of 23.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, factors of 23 are only 1 and 23 because it is a prime number and it is not divisible by anything else of number itself and 1.
You are correct. So 1 and 23 are only factor, and you should also remember the number whose factors are number and 1 only, they are called prime numbers. What we call them?
Prime
Number.
Prime numbers. So you can write in your copy that 23 is a prime number. And others who have many factors, they are called composite number. Okay, so
Ma'am,
Hriday,
I just have a
Yes,
doubt.
ma'am. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36.
Ma'am,
excellent.
I
Yes,
have a
Sam.
doubt.
Yeah,
Ma'am, why is 1
And
called
there is so many factors of 36.
yeah, there are many factors. I agree.
why is 1 called nor prime nor composite?
It is a special number because see, if I say prime numbers have two factors, then one has only one factor. If
Mom,
I-
but it is, Mom, the definition of prime number is number itself and one. One
Yeah.
is divisible by itself, one, and Mom, it is also divisible by one.
Yes, yes. So definition of prime number is the number which has two factors. One is 1 and another is number itself. But
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
look at 1 has only one factor, only
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
What is that factor? 1. So we call 1 is neither prime nor composite number. That also you can write in your copy in the notes. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. And if I talk about prime numbers have two factors. Please write it.
Ma'am, can
1 and
itself.
the number itself. So you can write example in your copy like 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. This all are prime numbers. There are many prime numbers. And if I talk about composite number, they have more than two factors.
Ma'am, we should disconnect one more time.
Yeah. Okay, so let's disconnect. Then we will be connecting again.